Hey y'all, welcome. Today I'm going to try for the first time using the wireless transfer from my computer to my new mirror machine. So I figured this was a good opportunity to jump right in with y'all and show you kind of as I figure it out what we got to do to get this done. So it might take a little bit longer today because I am truly figuring it out for the first time, but I'm sure that this is going to make things just that much quicker to not have to fiddle with finding the USB and plugging it in and moving things around so many times. So we're gonna try this, and I'm excited to give this a try. This is something I've been looking forward to for a while. It's just I haven't given myself the time to figure it out, but today is the day. So we're gonna figure this out together. I have a hat design that I'm working on, so I need to get this transferred over. I'm in the middle of a couple of other projects, but they're on hold right now as I'm waiting for some supplies to come in the mail. So I'm gonna pause here and get this hat done. So let's turn you down and kind of get you in closer to my computer and walk you all through this together. Okay, so here is the design that I am going to put on a hat. It looks huge on the computer, but that's how small it is. So, okay, so we need to get this to the machine via InStitch. So I'm gonna come to that website. I already looked it up. So InStitch. Sorry if my camera's shaking a little bit. I've got it sitting on the table. All right. Transmission. I think that's what I clicked before. This is about as far as I got. And I was like, let's do video. Okay. So I have already made an account in InStitch. If you haven't, you're going to need to register. All right. So then we sign up. And then we need to go to the transmission software. I'm going to add machine. All right, so can we scan the code? I would have to do that. I'm like, All right, so we need to find the serial number for my machine. Let me find out what that is. So I typed in the serial number correctly as far as I can tell, but it's saying, please enter the correct serial number. It also says, please ensure that the machine is connected to the network. Now, my husband helped me set up the machine, and I'm pretty sure that he did that for me, but I'm going to go double check. But just for reference, in the manual, page 63 is going to talk about the Wi-Fi and how to do that. So let me bring you over to the machine and see if we can make sure that we're connected to Wi-Fi. I don't know if that's the problem, but we're going to try it. Okay. So just so I go back here, clicked on settings, and you're gonna have to excuse some of the background noise. My children are playing a video game. Apparently it's a very intense video game because there's a lot of shouting. All right, so let's see. Language, time, statistics, test, parameter, engineer, users. Thinking it's gonna be in systems. It doesn't say, let's see. Wi-Fi. It doesn't say how to get to that page, does it? Let's see. I don't know how to get. Let's see. It's got to be in settings. These aren't even clickable. Oh, that just tells you where to go. Nope. We're not going to do that. Parameters, no. Oh, here it is. Okay. You're going to go into user. Sorry, you're going to have to excuse my kids. And then there's Wi-Fi. Okay. And I am connected. So let's see, device link. Oh, okay, there's that code. All right, so because I record with my computer, with my phone, I'm gonna have to do this off screen, off camera. So, but this should be device link verification. Oh wait, well here's the verification code. Maybe this is it. Let's see, 795329. Let me go. Let me go try to put that in and see if that works. Or wait, oh, no. I'm sorry, right here. It says a unique serial number. So this is the number underneath the QR code that I need to enter in my computer. P13. You doesn't matter because yours is going to be different. This is the one I'm going to do. Okay, so great. We found it. Let's go over to the computer and enter it in. Okay. So I've entered it in. Let's try it now. Okay. Verification code. Isn't that what I just typed in? Oh, verification code. So it gives you the unique serial number and the verification code. So both of those you're going to have to type in. Okay. Okay. Yay. Okay. So we are connected to InStitch. So that worked. We are here. Now, no content, upload pattern, 0 patterns. So how do we get a pattern on here? We're going to go to upload pattern, and this says click or drag the pattern, drag to upload the pattern. So here's the pattern I want. We're just going to drag it over. Is that it? What? Is that literally it? Yeah, because that would be uploading a new pattern. All right, let's check the machine and see if it's over there. Wow. Okay, yes. Okay, so I see my machine has a spinning. All right, okay. So it should be over here. So what I've seen when I looked over, but I couldn't get my camera to record it or get over here fast enough, there was a red spinning download thing. So I believe that it worked. So let's go into patterns. Yay! Oh my gosh, that was super easy. Of course, I had to log in and all of that, but now that it is, wow! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, great. We are going to be doing a hat. So we'll get it set for that. Yay! Oh, I am so excited. Okay, so it worked. I was able to use the Wi-Fi to send my design straight to the machine without having to use the USB. And it just felt like it was super fast. And I know, like, from my table to my machine is not that far, but like I'm not very techie. Like I always say, like, I'm an old soul, like I know nothing about computers. But it just seems like it was instantaneous. Like it moved very quickly and there was no glitches. Took me a little bit to figure out exactly what code that I needed to put in. And I don't believe I've seen anywhere in the manual about the InStitch transfer. All I saw was how to put the Wi-Fi on. So the rest, I literally figured it out as I went, which again is why I love the new machine because it is user friendly, because I didn't go and watch any other YouTube videos. I didn't go to the Buy TV channel or check out their stuff. I know I could have, and if I wasn't able to figure it out, I definitely would have. But I just kind of, based on my knowledge that I already have of the machine, and just the simple tech knowledge that I have, I was able to figure it out with very minimal instructions. So again, it's very user friendly, and I hope that this video helps y'all if you're trying to figure it out how to get that Wi-Fi transfer in the InStitch to work for you. So I think I'll probably bounce between the two. I'll probably still use my USB when it's available and ready, especially because I'm still using my old machine. So if I'm using a design on both, I probably still will use the USB thumb drive, but this is going to make things so much simpler. The only thing I'm not crazy about is that you will have to go to the website, the InStitch website, in order to use it. It's not like you can't just right click and send it over, at least from what I could tell. But even with that, if I had it open in the background, if I knew I'm working on designs and I have that website open, I'm so sorry about my kids, y'all. It's summertime, so for the next couple months, just expect to hear some background noise, because otherwise I will not be bringing you videos, because my house will never be quiet. Sorry about that. So yeah, so it was easy, and I think if I just leave the website open in the background on my computer, it's not going to be like a big deal to drag and drop and send it over. I do love the drag and drop. So I hope you guys found this helpful. I know it was just a shorter video today. I do, as you see behind me, I have some other videos in the future, so stay tuned. Look forward to those. I have a kind of a summer get ready video that I'm planning on making. It's going to take me a couple weeks to get all the supplies and everything, but I've got started on it, so that's like a sneak peek. So, all right, well, thank you guys again for watching. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, to share my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.